Hello, I'm JM DeViro, and I'm on Reddit's Karma Lab team. On the Karma Lab team, part of our mission is to help remove creative as a barrier to entry for brands that want to advertise impactfully on the platform. We know that things like headline writing can be daunting. If you're coming to the platform for the first time, or you're trying to figure out how to tweak your assets from other social platforms for Reddit specifically, or maybe you have a creative team, but they're up to their necks in work, and you don't have the resources to be writing your own headlines. We created something to help you write headlines that are impactful, that follow our copy and creative best practices on Reddit. It's called the AI copywriting tool. So today I'm going to show you how to use it, where it lives, and we're going to play around with this thing to see what it's capable of. The great news is this is a publicly available beta that lives directly in the Reddit Ads Manager. So if you log into ads.reddit.com, go right here to the hamburger menu in the top left, click and scroll down to the creative section. We find the AI copywriter right here. And this is your dashboard for getting started. Here's where we can enter things like company names. We're going to use a brand called Camp Glow. That is a fake brand we like to use for a lot of our demos. And the product background information section is where you can take copy from your website, paste it here, take copy from your other ad headlines and write it directly here. Or if you have intimate knowledge of a specific objective, brief, product, etc., you can put all that information here up to 1,000 characters. The more you put into this thing, the better the output is generally going to be from the tool itself. So we're going to go ahead and take some theoretical copy from Camp Glow's website that describes a little bit about what they do. Camp Glow makes high quality and sustainable camping and hiking gear, most notably flashlights, headlamps, lanterns, and other lighting tools for the outdoors. They're going to run a fall sale offering 20% of their best-selling gear. So that's a good starting off point. We're going to click a call to action here. We'll pick shop now with a campaign objective of conversions, because this will be a performance-driven campaign. And then here's where we can type out our audience groups. So simply type one, hit enter, and move on to the next. Here we'll select, let's say, hikers, campers, maybe young parents who want to, get some great activity ideas with their kids. How about lovers of the outdoors, and maybe just people who want to be more active. Great. And then we get to the fun part, refining the prompt, where we get to be specific about what kind of tone of voice this brand has. Of course, this will be specific to your brand, but for Camp Glow, let's say we're casual, maybe a little bit funny. We'll just stay neutral for this one. Let's be enthusiastic and a little bit relaxed. We want those outdoor vibes to be nice and laid back. Then we'll click generate headlines, and let's see what this thing can spit out in a matter of a few seconds here. All right, so based on those inputs, we've got 5 headlines. Let's take a quick read through them. Fall into adventure with Camp Glow's sustainable outdoor gear, 20% off flashlights, lanterns, and more. Shop now and illuminate your next journey. Not bad. Craving a cozy campfire but hate bulky lanterns? Camp Glow's sleek, sustainable lighting solutions are here to brighten your nights. 20% off. Great. Illuminate your love of the outdoors with Camp Glow's sustainable gear. Shop now and light up your adventures. This is all pretty great stuff. You can see that it addresses a lot of our copy and creative best practices, mentioning the brand name, mentioning the promo, creating a use case or a reason that people should be caring about this headline if they're seeing it during their scroll. But let's say maybe we are running a conversation placement alongside an in-feed campaign. So let's say, please make these shorter. Always want to be polite to our AI friends. You never know. And let's see if this can generate some headlines that might live in that more compact real estate of a conversation placement ad. Awesome. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, we've got some shorter headlines. Fall into adventure with Camp Glow, 20% off sustainable outdoor gear. Shop now and illuminate your journey. Awesome. So these are all much shorter headlines. What else can we do? Let's see if we can say, please include a reference to an outdoors Reddit community in each headline. And let's see what it does with that. We know that one of our best practices is to show users that you know where you're advertising as a brand, and using a reference to a common subreddit or maybe just a subreddit that's relevant to your brand or your product can be a great way of doing that. Awesome. Here we go. r/camping gearheads fall into adventure with Camp Glow, 20% off sustainable outdoor gear. Shop now and illuminate your journey. On the next one, we're shouting out r/cozy campfires. We have r/zero waste, one of our great sustainability communities. r/flashlight, where people are looking for products, and r/outdoors, one of our larger outdoor adventure communities. So this is great. We can see how incorporating a couple of quick subreddits does a great deal of work towards making these feel like they belong and fit in a little bit more to that Reddit audience. Now, let's say maybe we want to customize the promo code. So make the promo code, let's say customize the promo code using common Reddit language like upvote or karma. We know that custom codes are promoted codes in general on Reddit work really well. We have entire communities of audiences that love finding freebies, deals, and promotions. But when you customize that code again to make it feel specific to the Reddit community, we know that it can be even more impactful. So r/camping gearheads fall into adventure with Campo, 20% off sustainable outdoor gear with code upvote. Shop now and illuminate your journey. We have another one down here that adds the code karma. So this has done exactly what we asked it to do. There's all kinds of stuff you can do here to customize these headlines. We can ask it to make the headlines rhyme. We can have it write headlines in haiku form. This thing is pretty limitless in the things it can do. It just depends on the kind of fun you want to have as you're writing your Reddit headlines. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this workshop useful. I hope you go and use the AI copywriting tool yourself. And I can't wait to see you on Reddit. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.